Hi, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert hyperlinks in your Word document. So I've just got a demonstration document here with some headings and subtitles. Now you don't have to do that, it's completely up to you. I'm just going to show you how to insert online links and also links within your document. So let's say, for example, we wanted to produce a link up here. Now this could be just some text, or you can actually type in the web page here. Once you've selected your text, you can either right click and go down to link, or you can just press Command or Control K. Once you've done that, this dialog box will appear. So if we go to web page or file, if you're not quite sure what the address of your web page is, just simply go online and then just go across to the address bar at the top, just click on it and it will automatically be selected. If it's not, just click and drag and select the address. Once you've done that, hit Command or Control C to copy it, go back to your document, along to this address bar here, Command or Control V to paste it, and then just click OK. And then you can see Word has changed the colour and underlined it to indicate it's a link, and when I hover over the top of it, you can see the cursor has changed. Now if you want to further edit it, then just right click on it again, or press Command or Control K. You can go down to link and select edit link, and then you can also change the title of it, but it will also change your text. So let's just say I added a number 1 to the end, click OK, and you can see here that it's added that 1. When you click on it now, you can see that it will take you to that web page that you wanted to link to. Furthermore, if you want to link to places in your document, you can either link to headings or you can link to a bookmark. It's completely up to you. So firstly, I'll show you how to link to a title because that's quite easy. Let's just say we want to select this text here, Command or Control K, and then we went to this document. And here you can see we've got headings. Now I've already introduced my headings. So if I click on the drop down, you can see I've got my Title 1, Title 2, Title 3, Title 4. Now I want to select Title 1. And then I just click OK, and I'll show you what happens. If I zoom in, and now I'm just reading this document as normal. If I go to my hyperlink here and click, it automatically takes me to Title 1. Now the reason those titles are in my hyperlink menu is because I've actually made them titles within my software. So how do those titles appear in my menu? So let's go over here. And let's introduce Title 5. If I select it, go to the Home tab and go along here and then select heading 1, 2, 3. It's completely up to you in terms of how you're editing or customizing your document. But let's just select heading 1 here. Then if I want to link to that, let's just pick some text. Command or Control K. Go to headings, and there you can see I've now got Title 5 in there. So all your titles will be titled something different depending on what your subject matter is. Just select it and click OK. And then again, click on my hyperlink and it'll take me straight to Title 5 and my cursor's right next to it there. Now if I want to link to something else in my document, let's say I want to link to this picture, I can bookmark it. It's really easy to do. Just select it, go to Insert, go along to Bookmark, and then you can name your bookmark. I'll put blankets, and then just click Add. So now that you've bookmarked that, so then when I go to my hyperlink menu, let's just select some more text, Command or Control K. Now I've got an arrow next to my bookmarks. If I click on the drop down, you can see now I've got blankets in my bookmarks, and you can have as many of these as you like. Click on blankets and then click OK. And then once again, if I click on my hyperlink, it's going to take me straight to that image. If you want to delete one of these, then right click, go down to link and select remove link, and that will remove that link. If you want to edit it, right click on it, go to link, go down and select edit link, and then you can edit it and select a different title if you want to. So the final thing is, how do I edit how this looks? If I right click on a link, I can go down to this font option here, and then here you can change the font. There we go. And then obviously you can make the line different underneath. It can be a dotted line, but I think most people understand a hyperlink with an underline. And then you can put it into bold if you like. You can change the size of it. Let's change that. And then just click OK. And then you can see how that's changed. The only thing is, once you do that, if you decide that you want to delete it, it will delete the link, but it won't delete the font changes. If I right click here and I go down to link and I remove the link, it removes the link, but you've still got those font changes. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please subscribe and have a great day.